fish. And it's gonna die. Oh, look at his shit itself. No way. No way. No way.
Oh, I've taken a big chunk out of his face.
Oh my god. It's actually got...
really bad camera picture.
Oh no, it's not. It's got no face. I don't understand why they don't eat that black one though.
Get his tail.
It's gone!
Oh, oh. Oh, oh. I can't find out.
Holy fuck. Greg. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is like a crap video. Oh my god. Holy shit. Like, he's bloody massive. I think they don't eat the head then.
Yeah, they'll go back and they'll eat it.
Why don't they eat that blackfish?
It's because it's probably picks stuff off on it.
Oh, Jesus. That is disgusting. That is... I don't believe they just did that. Look at that blackfish. Where did it go?
Stop recording.
Terrible thing for a gentleman. Can't hear some of my patients half the time. Of course, considering some of my patients, maybe it's a blessing.
Colonel Schlesinger, would you prefer being called Colonel or Doctor?
I prefer Donald, and I'm assuming you didn't fly up from the color of the bush.
Oh, I can't see it now.
That's what I told you on the phone.
Yes, and I told you on the phone that I can't talk about Captain Campbell. Nothing's changed.
Oh.
She was the end of her sophomore year when she came.
Oh, it's gone. 3 minutes, Greg. You proud of your fish?
Very proud.